Mom.
You're cold? Well, want to play in the sprinkler
No,
then?
I think he's out.
Oh. We're not really cold. We're just pretending. We're really, really hot.
Hot? No, I don't believe you.
Oh, so hot. Whoa.
Okay, you've convinced me. Maybe this will cool you down.